Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga kachopapis! For today's video, wala yung asawa ko. So, walang makakapigil sa akin. So, may nabili kaming TV console at nabili lang namin sa Goodwill ng $20. Ito yung price ng mga kachopapi ko. Actually, nabili namin siya sa Green Bay yata yun. Nakalimutan ko na kung saan Goodwill yun. Ayan, mga kachopapi. 24 pala. $24.99. Nabili namin siya. Tinabi ko yung resibo kasi baka mamaya, para in case na hindi maganda, pwede namin isole. Hindi ba? So, maayos naman siya, mga kachopapi. Ayan, may mga cabinet. Maayos naman. Kaya lang, mga kachopapi, tatanggalin ko tong black at ililipat ko, ipapalit ko kasi medyo maliit yung aming TV console dito. So, ang gagawin ko, mga kachopapi, ito nga pala yung kasama ng isa pang para yan dun sa gitna ng cabinet. Binili namin siya, mga kachopapi, kasi nakutan ako. Ayaw nga ng asawa ko kasi ayaw niyang palitan tong itim na to. Sabi ko, bagay na bagay yan doon sa TV natin. Kasi every time na manonood kami, mga kachopapi, nakayuko kami. Kahit yung bisita namin, sabi ni Ate Princess, yung pumunta siya sa bahay, bakit naman nakaalit ang TV nyo? Dapat mataas yung binili yung TV console, sabi niya. Eh ako naman, sinabi ko naman sa kanya na kaya maliit yan kasi yung asawa ko dito naglalaro. Naka-Indian seat lang sila dito. Kaya ayaw nga palitan ng asawa ko kasi baka mamaya pag pinalitan, hindi na siya makakapag-Indian seat, diba? So ang iniisip ko, ilipat ko yung TV dito or dito. Kasi mga kachopapi, may projector kami. Nakita niyo yung projector. Pag nanonood ng mga ng sine, dito nakatapat. So, binababa namin itong TV. Iniisip ko kung dito naman ilalagay yung TV namin. Iniisip ko, kasi balak kong bumili ng maliit na sofa para may sofa dito. So, para ang magiging sofa namin is magiging L-shape. So, kaya lang, hindi na mangyayari dahil kung ilalagay ko dito ang TV, pabago-bago kasi. Siguro yung mga, nagsasalita lang yung mga gamit na yan. Pagsalita na, nagreklamo. So, iniisip ko, eto kasing black na console, TV console, ilalagay ko na lang to sa taas. And then, ililipat ko na lang siya dito. Tama. Actually, maganda siya dyan, no? Kaya lang kasi bibili ako ng sofa na, para meron dyan sofa. Kasi pag nilagay ko naman TV dito, makarangan yung view natin sa labas, di ba? So, dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Kaya lang yung mga speaker ng asawa ko, baka mamaya masira ako. Pagalitan ako, di ba? Mahal pa man din ang speaker, mga kachopapi, ayan. Kasi pagka nanonood kami ng sine, maganda yung sounds effect. Talagang parang nasa sinihan kami. Kaya ayaw niya nagugulo yung kanyang speaker. Kasi mahal nga ang bilhin niya. Alam mo naman ang asawa ko kasi mahilig siya manood ng mga movie marathon yung asawa ko eh. So iniisip ko, ang ganda naman ang flower na to. Iniisip ko, tingnan mga kachopapi ayan. So maglalagay ako dun ng sofa hanggang ganyan para yung, kasi ayoko na bumili ng sofa, mga kachopapi. Gusto ko na lang dagdagan to kasi okay pa naman siya. Hindi naman siya sira. Wala naman siyang amoy. Malinis, maayos, maalaga ang asawa ko sa mga furniture. And then, ito talaga, ililipat ko na lang talaga to dito. No, mga kachopapi? Para maganda naman yung ating house. Siguro, ilipat na lang natin. Kasama ko na si Kiki. Kiki! Diba? Parang tayo ngayon nung ang gulo ng bahay. Ngayon pala ako maglilinis. So, ganyan siya, kachopapi. Ito nga rin, gusto kong ilagay sa taas na lang kasi medyo malaki. At saka ayoko ng kulay niya. Hindi siya tugma sa mga kulay ng Ito kakaiba siya. Parang kakulay niya itong cabinet naman. Ay, hindi. Medyo dark to. Kaya pag inano ko siya, hindi maganda, di ba? So, ito, ililipat ko to doon. So, samahan niyo ako mga kachupapi. Oh, di ba? Kaya lang mga kachupapi, hindi ko alam kung paano ikakabit. Iikot-ikot yung mga wire. Baka mamaya magalit yung asawa ko. Pero maganda siya mga kachupapi, oh. Biglang lumuwag. Di ba? Iniisip ko mga kachupapi. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay itong maliit na speaker. Kasi pagka, dapat nakababayan kasi yung wall nga, di ba? Gagawing sa sine, kachupapi. Hindi ko alam kung paano to. Paano ba to? Lagay ko na kaya sa likod ng TV, no? Hindi, parang malaring. Kung dito ko naman ilalagay, ang speaker kasi mga kachupapi dapat nasa tapat namin para pag nanonood kami ng movie, maganda yung sound effect. Pag nasa gilid kasi parang hindi maganda. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko mga kachupapi. Bukas na lang pagpatuloy ito. Pagdating ng asawa ko. No, mga kachupapi. Yan o, biglang lumuwag eh oh. Pag maaga kaya ako naglinis, maayos ko kaya na maaga to, no? Para nakikita ko yung mga dust, maalis ko. So, dito ko muna nilagay yung nakakaikikan ko. Tsaka itong table ko mga kachupapi, iakit ko yun sa taas. At saka itong ang ilalagay ko naman to, ito ililipat ko dun. So, bukas na tayo magpatuloy. Magulo yung bahay. Patugtog muna tayo. Favorite ko tong song na to eh. Oh, di ba? Favorite ko to. Bukas na tayo magpatuloy mga kachupapi, gabi na. Pagod na rin ako, tsaka si Kiki. Pero maganda oh, ay ano na siya. Kaano na siya ng mata ko. Kasi yung itong black yung aming gamit. Ganun ako, yuko kong ganun. Hindi, ito ngayon, saktong-sakto sa mata ko, oh, di ba? Eye level siya. Di ba, Kay? So, bukas na tayo magpatuloy. Di ko alam kung paano gagawin na ito, mga kachupapi. Iniisip ko nga eh, kung saan ko ilalagay. Actually, maganda yung speaker na kaganyan. Kaya lang hindi siya pwedeng magganyan dahil malaki yung projector mga kachupapi. Itong projector na to, sa buong kaya wala kaming poster sa mga ganyan, wala kaming mga nakadikit na dyan, dito lang. Kasi, pag nanonood niya ng movie, kailangan namin ng space, diba? So, hindi ko alam mga kachupapi. Parang gusto ko na lang siguro itong buong to, ilipat na lang dito. Dito sa okay lang kahit matakpan yung namin. Yung view dito sa labas. Kasi bihira lang naman kami na ng view. Kasi dalawa yung bintana dyan, medyo malabo. Mga kachupapi. Gusto kong linisin, hindi ko malinis. Kasi nga, hindi ko mabuksan yung isa. Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, tanggalin na lang yung isang bintana para isang bintana na lang. Kaya lang kasi may purpose daw yan. Dalawa daw talaga yan kasi para hindi tumagos yung lamig. Kaya hindi ko matanggal-tanggal. Ay, ang dugyot-dugyot na sa loob. May mga tumutulong parang hindi ko alam kung paano ba lilinisin yan. Sabi ng asawa ko, tatanggalin pa daw yan. Mahirap daw. Sabi ko, bakit naman kasi dalawang bintana dyan? Pinalagay daw yan ng dating may-ari kasi nga malamig. Kahit yun nandito sa ayan yan, yung bintana niya. Dalawa, doble-doble. Kasi super lamig dito sa Wisconsin. Buti itong bebe ko. So, pagpatuloy na lang natin tong vlog natin bukas pag uwi ng asawa ko para maayos niya yan. Okay? See you tomorrow mga kachupapi.
Looking
Hi,
up
B.
from our spaceship, the same feeling is at work.
Rest a little bit.
As we move away from Earth, the planet's light takes longer and longer to reach us.
So, ayan. Ayusin na asawa ko. Paano niya
If we could zoom in
ayusin?
with a telescope,
No,
you would see
kachupapi.
people on Earth evolving in slow
What if the
motion.
box, that small box, put it under the TV?
Each tick of the clock
Thing can fit there.
takes longer and longer to reach
That's a
us.
bad idea.
We
Why?
receive light rays in slow motion, and their intensity seems
You want to destroy the TV? You can do that.
Oh, it's not allowed?
Yeah, you should put nothing near
in
the
front of
TV.
us. It's
No
an
speakers,
opposite
no
effect.
other electronics,
The ship
especially
catches up with
the
the light,
receiver,
and the
because the
stars
receiver
seem to
sends out like
brighten.
radio signals,
They shift
electrical
Oh.
signals.
And their
That's going to
clocks
destroy the
seem to
TV,
tick
so you don't
faster.
want to do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. These TV, you should put nothing near it. The only thing that should be on there are like other stuff that is not electronic or doesn't send out any signals.
Okay.
No speakers, no hard drives, no computers, no receivers. That should not be near there.
Maybe this one, I'm gonna put it upstairs too, and this one.
Due to the way we
What?
receive light, while
The desk?
My desk. I'm going upstairs because that's gonna be mine then.
Well, when you finish cleaning upstairs, we'll take it up there.
Okay.
But today, I'll take this up there. Probably take the small speaker up there. I'll buy another receiver so I can hook it up there to the speakers.
Real physical effects.
But I'll leave-
Oh, you're gonna give that one to me?
No,
Special
The-
relativity
the small
comes
one?
into play.
I'm gonna bring it up there. But I need another receiver, so I'm gonna buy another
A
receiver.
first consequence of relativity
Are you gonna hook
is
up the
known
speakers?
as time dilation.
Where are you gonna hook it up to?
Our universe is a four-dimensional fabric called space-time.
Maybe I'm just gonna put it down then.
Dimensions of space
No.
and one dimension
I'm
of
just gonna
time.
keep the big speakers up there. I'm moving
Inside
the small one.
space-time,
Why? It's
bodies
good.
trace a
I don't want it up
trajectory
here.
since they all advance towards their
Because
future.
Kiki's gonna touch it and then it's gonna
Before
fall.
takeoff, our
I mean,
ship was moving
this one
in
put
the
it
same
down
way as
here.
Earth towards the future.
Because if you do that, then it
But by
defeats the
picking
whole
up
purpose
speed
of changing
and
to
zooming away
this.
from
Because
Earth
now it's
faster
taking
and
up more
faster,
space
our
again.
trajectory gradually deviated
So I'm
from
just
that of the
not gonna do
planet.
it.
The axis
And plus, if you
called
leave it here,
time
then
is
it's in the way. When we
aligned
watch a
with the
movie,
time
it's in the
axis
way.
of people
I don't
on
wanna
Earth.
keep moving it
If
back
we
and forth.
decided to turn
What about the
back and
TV
come
though?
back,
I still have
our
to take it
clocks would
down.
have measured a different time.
Well, I was thinking I put it the TV here.
Because our trajectories in
No, leave it
space-time
here.
would have
Why
been
you
different.
put it over here? The sofa's here.
Yeah, so when I watch TV, I lay down like this.
Well, if you do that, I have to move the whole thing over here because the TV's connected to the computer and all this stuff too.
Oh.
It's connected to the receiver too, so that means I have to move everything over here.
But before, if we don't have TV.
Well, now that we have the TV, it's connected to it.
Oh.
So that when I watch TV, it's hooked up to all the sound system. Because if you
Okay.
do that, then it's not hooked up.
Using this company to get personal loans to
So they all stick together. They're all together. You move one thing, you gotta move everything.
Another key consequence of special relativity is called length contraction. When a body moves at close to light speed, its length
Ang ganda ng tambahin ni Kiki. Kiki, lay down, oh.
He's like, I'm claiming this new table as my own. Okay, you ready?
Okay, ayusin na ng asawa ko yung aming living room. Yeah!
Why do you do this?
I don't do anything in there.
You didn't take any of it apart?
Yeah. I just removed the keyboard, mouse. I don't do anything there.
I can't just put it back together. I have to unplug everything.
Okay.
Because I have to go through that hole right there.
Look at Kiki.
That's fit.
Nice, that fit. Nice.
Everything has to go through that hole. Because this cannot go all the way back. It's sticking out.
Oh. It's okay.
For me, it's not good. It's very annoying. You see what I mean? How I have OCD? It has to be perfect.
ADHD ka na.
It's not perfect. It's very annoying for me.
May ADHD ka na,
I
B.
cannot be satisfied with that.
It's okay. Oh, because there's a wire on the back.
Well, it's because this is in the way. So when you have all the wires, then the wires are in the back too, so you can't push it in.
It's okay because no one's gonna walk there though.
Yeah, but it's.
You annoyed?
I like it when it's flush. You know what I mean? See, like here, it's not flush.
It's okay. Oh, maybe you stand up.
Even if you stand up, it's still the same result. It's gonna stick out.
It's
And if
okay.
you stand it up, then you can't fit this one at the top.
Oh,
So you have to do it this way.
yeah, you're right. But it's okay. No one's gonna kick that.
Oh, I'm not worried that somebody's gonna kick it. It just doesn't look good.
It is good. Look when you go there. I don't want you to remove the thing on the back just to make it, fit. Hindi siya masaya, mga chapapi. OC.
Maybe I'll put it in the computer in here.
Where? Inside?
But if I do that, I can't close it because it's sticking out too. So it doesn't work either way.
Oh, what are you gonna do then? Or maybe you're gonna cut a little bit on the back so it can fit the wires so you can move though. Right? Cut the cutter. You know what I mean? Kakating niya yan.
See the black one? I took the back side off so that everything can
Yeah.
fit.
Yeah, it's not good
So
though.
it's not deep enough.
You should cut the wire. The back so it can fit so you can move a little bit. Sige. Pam. May something tong asawa ko eh. Kaya minsan naintindihan ko rin yung gusto niya, mga kachupapi. Kasi ayaw niya yung nakaganyan ba. Parang hindi siya perfect. Gusto niya perfect. Alam mo naman to eh.
I'm gonna have to cut it.
Sabi na nga ba eh.
It has to be cut.
Oh, so we're gonna put down the TV then. Cut only a little bit, ha? Diba? Ganyan na yung mga kachapapi. Gusto niya.
Okay, got it.
Mapilit lang niya yung gusto niya. May OC talaga tong asawa ko. What do you have, B? OC? What's that mean?
OCD.
OCD, what's that mean?
I don't remember. You can look it up. There's a reason for it. This time, now it's perfect.
Oh, di ba may OC nga? OCD. Disorder. Ay, nako, kachupapi.
Something disorder.
May mga disorder na mga tao rito. Ay, nako. Ayan na, magkakasya na yan. It's gonna fit there.
Now it's gonna fit.
You can sleep after that.
Yes, I can sleep very well now. Knowing that it's perfect.
Di ba? Malakas din amat niya, no? Kasama sa kasama ko. Tapos malaman-laman natin hindi kasya, no? Baby, check it if it's fit.
It guaranteed gonna fit.
Sabi ba naman ang asawa ko may ADHD daw ako. Kasi hindi daw ako mapakali. Galaw daw ako ng galaw. Parang anong bulati. Eh siya naman daw may OCD.
It's custom made. Now it's fit.
Oh, maybe we should put the small speaker there. In the 2 cabinet. No, it's fit
No,
there.
we're gonna use it to store other stuff. So, see, now it's perfect.
Let me see.
Yep. See?
Oh, yung pala yung gusto ng asawa ko. Gusto niya yung ganyan,
I
day.
just needed a little bit extra room.
Oh, that's good, baby. You fit it in there like a key.
You know, in fact, you won't even notice the cut.
Yeah. That's very good. Very, very, very good.
Better. Now it's perfect. Now I'm happy.
Puro in the speaker, oh. Oo.
No, I don't want to put the speakers in that. We're going to use that for storage.
Kasi dito ko nilagay yung mga panlaro-laro niya, mga kasyapal.
Speaker for upstairs.
Okay. Try the speaker first. Di ba? Ganda na, mga kachapapi. Iakit ko rin yung ayun yung block na lagayan ko ng table. Kasi para dun sa taas, mga block. Tapos ito, ililipat ko dun sa dulo.
Okay.
Kasi para malawag dito, mga kachapapi.
See if everything works.
Yan. Try
I'm going
balik.
to reserve these for this, for up there. So I'll have speakers for upstairs.
Okay.
This is going to go straight, baby.
Straight it. Make it straight. Oh, what's happening? Oh, what's that sound?
It's because there's too many wires crisscross. When you have too many wires crisscross and there's interruption, that's what happens.
Maybe you put it different.
Oh, that's right. You want to move it more towards this way?
No.
You like it here? But it's not center.
Are you sure it's not center?
Yeah, it's not center.
It's center. Oh.
It's not center.
Okay, move a little bit then.
It's not center. Even if I sit all the way on here, it's still like this.
Okay. Move a little bit then. Yan, naurong na na asawa.
Yeah, now it's more center.
Okay.
Better.
Okay. I'll turn on the YouTube. Let me see if the speaker's still on.
I'm sure. If you hear buzzing sounds, I mean, it works. But it's just that you hear those buzzing sounds because there's so many wires crossed against each other. There's a lot of like interruptions, frequency interruptions.
Diba? Ayun ang gusto ng asawa ko, makachupapi. Speaker niya. Dahil pag nasira may mag-aaway kayo. Charing lang. Pero actually maganda talaga, B. I'm glad you bought that speaker because every time we watch a movie, it's good. It's like we're in cinema.
You want good sound.
How much you bought it?
I got all four. Actually, I bought all four plus those two little ones for $215.
$215?
It's actually a really good price.
Oh, that's good. Dami na kaming computer, mga kachupapi. Para yung bahay namin puno na ng computer. Si Kiki na lang. Susunod si Kiki, robot na.
Hey, yo.
Kiki! Umayos ka dyan, ha? Umayos ka dyan. Susunod, ito na yung robot. Okay, kami yan. Ang buit naman ng bebe love kong yan. Nagpapalambing ang bata. Uy, naku naman, lambing ng lambing ng bebe ko, ah. Hawa kami yung tiyan yan, oh. Lambot ni Kiki, nakakatuwa naman. Naman, laki ng belly fat niya, no, mga kachupapi. Dali, try the sounds. It's not working. Yeah! Ah, it's worked. Okay na siya mga kachupapi. Ang ganda na. Ito naman yung sa susunod
So
kong...
open these boxes. Let's put these inside the storage room.
Baby, put the TV in the other room, ah.
Did you put the keys
Ang
back?
dami nun.
I gotta go
Yeah.
get the keys.
Yeah, I put it back.
Okay.
Ang dami mga kachupapi. Daming TV, hindi na nagagamit. Pero mga iba sila kasi. Itong malaking to, sira to eh. Tsaka yan. Ito dalawa kay Nick. Ito yung lumang TV dito. Ang kalat no, kachupapi. Kaya kailangan kong maglinis talaga rito. Linisin namin.
I'm gonna get another receiver, but I'm gonna get a cheap one only. I'll hook it up to that computer, that TV, and the speaker, so we'll have it up here too. Okay. Let's do
Oh,
this.
so cold here.
Yeah, that's why I said it's not a good place to be.
Ito yung ano namin mga kachupapi. Ito yung gusto kong ayusin, i-renovate, kaya lang ayaw ng asawa ko.
It's only for storage because it's cold. It's good for storage because it's cold.
Eh, what is so hot?
In the summer, it's very hot.
Gusto ko ayusin to mga kachupapi kasi ayoko ng ano baka ayoko siyang ano bulok-bulok ba.
Only for storage. That's it, not for living space.
Yan, puro mga madamit yan no, mga kachupapi. Puro laruan. Naku, kung ako lang, ang akin lang ipagpamimigay ko ni. Ito, kailangan natin dito yan. Kalat no, mga kachupapi. Saka na to, sa susunod na araw na to. Kaya lang ipapapasok ko lang tong TV to.
Want me to carry this?
Okay, hold on. Yan, nilipat na namin mga kachupapi. Baby, I wanna fix this house.
No, this is for storage. We're not gonna fix it. We're gonna keep this for storage. That's it. This is our storage space. This is our storage space. We'll keep it that way. Okay? We need a space for storage, and this is the perfect space.
And what about the basement? That one too. Put it there.
Please?
I don't need that one. That's Nick TV. Oh, diba? Ang luwag niyo kachupapi. Dati yung bahay namin ganito lang kalaki. Actually, kalahati lang nito. Bahay namin sa Manila. Thank you, baby, for helping me every
All
day.
for you.
Your house is our house is my oyster. You told me. What is oyster?
Oyster? Oyster is like the oyster that rich people eat. So when they say your world is the oyster, it's like you can do whatever you want. The whole world is yours to your liking.
Maybe you should not lock this one because every time we go enter, we don't need to lock because nothing is in here, so you don't need to
If you
lock.
want to leave it unlocked, I can leave it unlocked.
Yeah.
I just lock it so that when kids were here, they don't go in there.
So ilalagay ko yung ano mga kachupapi. Hindi ko na natulungan yung asawa ko magbuhat. Mamaya na tayo vlog. Hindi ko na tinulong. What else do we need to put it there?
We're gonna go get the table stuff and we're gonna put it here too.
Okay. What about this cabinet? Is Hanis not gonna get this one? Kasi mga kachupapa, ayusin ko to para pag may mga visitor kami sa bahay, dito sila matutulog. May tutuluyan ba sila?
What is it, B?
Ito, this one, no.
The jar?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it up here or no?
No, honey, not gonna get it?
No, I asked her. She said no. She's gonna leave it here. So you could probably repurpose it and use it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll leave it here.
Okay. So, akit na namin yung mga kachupapi. So, inakit na ng asawa ko yung table dyan. Ito na lang ilalagay natin dito. Wala rin tulong. Taga-video lang muna tayo mga kachupapi. Oh. Yan.
For your plants.
Ang ganda pala para pa yung plants.
There you go. Your plants are very happy now. They're so happy, except their bottle of water is empty.
Yeah, I put water in there. So, ayusin ko na lang yan bukas. At least ito talaga yung ice na mga kachupapi. So, we're gonna put the mirror there.
Whatever you want, baby.
So, when I do my Zumba. Zumba. O, diba? Parang yung asawa ko, tingnan. Nakatingala tuloy siya.
Okay, I'll be fine.
You understand me?
Oh, he said I have to turn my head up to look.
You understand may Tagalog? You know, understand may Tagalog already, ah. You're Tagalog. No.
Filipino.
You're Filipino. You're just joking me for the whole day. Filipino to. Niloloko lang yata ako ng asawa ko. Pero anyway, dito na lang muna itong natin. Mirror natin. Kasi pag nagsusumba ako, di ba? Magkatabi lang siya. So, ayun siya mga kachupapi. Maayos na siya. Patayin ko lang yung ilaw dun sa taas. And bukas ko nalilinisin yung taas.